It's another Fun Fact Friday, and we are here to tell you more about the hidden talents of our team members. PuroClean of Bradenton and PuroClean of Lakewood Ranch and Siesta Key are not just about water mitigation, mold remediation, fire, smoke and odor. We also do carpet cleaning. PuroClean uses a special solution that is designed to get rid of all of the nasty stains, odors, and allergens that are found in your furniture, including the upholstery. The solution is safe for your pets and kids, and it is environmentally friendly. We also offer a special service for your furry friends. Our team of pet lovers know just how much your furry friends love to roll around in the carpet and maybe have the occasional accident, so we have a special solution as well for your pets. But we don't stop there. We also know how important it is to get rid of the strong odors that come from your pets, your illness, or your cigarette smoke. We have a special solutions for the cigarette smoke. So if you have any of those strong smells in your home, give us a call at 941-233 Puro 7876. And let our team of professionals help you get your home back to the way it should be. For watching.